How to use lighting to transform your room's ambiance. Are you struggling to make your room feel cozy, inviting, or just right? Lighting might be the missing puzzle piece. Hi everyone, welcome back to Dreamscape Designs. Today I'm going to share easy lighting tips to completely transform the look and feel of any room. Whether you want a warm, cozy vibe or a bright, energizing space, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1. Why lighting matters. Lighting is more than just a functional element. It's the secret weapon of interior design. The right lighting can make a small room feel spacious or turn a dull space into a luxurious haven. It's all about layering and positioning the lights to create the perfect ambience. Number 2. The 3 types of lighting. To get the best results, combine these 3 types of lighting. Ambient lighting. This is your general overhead lighting, perfect for overall brightness. Use dimmers for flexibility. Task lighting, ideal for focused activities like reading or cooking. Think table lamps, desk lamps, or under cabinet lighting in the kitchen. Accent lighting, this is where the magic happens. Highlight artwork, plants, or architectural features with wall sconces or LED strip lights. Number 3, easy lighting tips for every room. Living room, use a combination of floor lamps and table lamps for a layered effect. Add a statement chandelier or pendant light for a dramatic touch. Bedroom, soft warm lighting works wonders here. Place bedside lamps with adjustable brightness and consider string lights or fairy lights for a cozy vibe. Kitchen, focus on task lighting with under cabinet LED strips or pendant lights above your island. Add dimmable overhead lights for versatility. Bathroom, install wall sconces on either side of the mirror for even lighting. For a spa-like vibe, use dimmable lights and add candles for ambiance. Number 4, budget-friendly lighting. Hacks: replace harsh white bulbs with warm-toned LEDs for a softer glow. Use mirrors strategically to reflect natural light and make a space brighter. Add battery-operated LED puck lights to dark corners or shelves for a quick upgrade. Opt for smart bulbs that allow you to change colors and dim settings, all controllable from your phone. And there you have it, simple, actionable tips to transform your room with lighting. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dreamscape Designs, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching Dreamscape Designs. See you next time.